Hey, have another Zippo trick for you guys today. I call it the Twister. This one I believe I did make up. Once again, just kind of a compilation of a couple things, but this one's especially fun to do and just made it up today. So this is what it looks like. And again, a little bit slower. And there you have it. That's the Twister. So breaking this trick down, basically what you're going to do is you're going to have your index finger above the hinge. So the hinge is facing away from you. And you're going to have your thumb there. So holding it like this, you're going to use your ring finger to pop the back down, like that. So having it like this, take that ring finger and pop it up, and you're going to slide that index finger in a bit, and you're going to use that to push down on the hinge, which is turning the light around into your hand, and you bring your index finger over to flick the wheel down, so that'll light it, and as you do that, your thumb's pushing over to bring the lid around, and you close. So obviously this trick's a little bit harder to explain. So from a frontward view, like that, index finger's pushing down to bring it. You're gonna catch it with your middle finger, and your ring finger is gonna catch the bottom, and that index finger is gonna strike down on the wheel. And as it's striking down on the wheel, you already have your thumb back here starting to push on the cap. So looking down and pushing on the cap brings it into this position, and you're just going to feed that over your fingers all the way to your thumb, and then you're just going to catch like that and throw forward. So Zippo's a little bit hot right now. So once again, let's do this quickly. It's going to look like this. Oh, messed up, see? New tricks, haven't quite perfected it yet. There you have it. That's called the Twister. Thank you for watching, and look out for more. And if you have any questions, if you need it slowed down more, shoot me a message or comment, and I'll go ahead and make another video slowing it down